Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Entertainment Arrest. If you're new to our channel, then do click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future entertainment enriched videos. Let's get started. Making the magic wand. First you need an A4 size paper and then you start turning it from one corner to the other. Once you're done, then you just have to glue or tape the final corner. Then you have your basic shape of the wand. You'll cut both the sides of the wand because you just want to make it sharper. Then just have small pieces of paper, fold them and put them in the front and back of the wand. But front is just optional, but back is compulsory because that will make the wand thicker from the base. Now cut the paper into half and then fold it. This is basically the designing that will be wrapped around the wand. It's completely flat, so it can easily turn around the wand. Just glue it, tape it, that's your choice. Now it's time to paint it, and you can use any paint, brown paint, but what I'm doing is using coffee to paint my wand. Add some water to the coffee so it will make a nice paste. The smell is incredible at this moment. Mix it properly so there are no lumps in it. Once you've mixed it properly, start painting your wand. And here it is. I painted the things that have to top and also the wand. Now this is just like I folded the wand, I did another one. This one is going to be used for filling in our painted wand. This is to thicken it up so it is more solid. Carefully put it inside your wand and then cover it from the top that you've made. here you have your wand, the base ready. Now what I did is I used one of the designing curves and I curved it in the back, and here we were playing and testing the wand, so this is more like a blooper part. So finally I think we sort of did the magic here, sort of. So now get to the making of the Harry Potter themed chalkboard. So on the board, I added some of my favorite props like the sorting hat, the time turner, golden snitch, the Hogwarts letter, feather, the broom, and the Society for the Protection of Elvish Welfare badge. Now let's get to the making of the sorting hat. So first of all, you'll make an 8 inches circle, then make a bigger circle that will be of 16 inches. Now cut those circles out, and here you'll have your base of the hat ready. Now you'll have to put a cone inside. How you'll make the cone? Well, here is the trick. You fold it like this, and here you have your cone. Just put it inside the circle that you've made. Now I had a lot of papers cut down, random papers, and I had a glue. Now we will get the papers glued to the base. And here we have our hat covered with paper. I curved the top because the sorting hat has a curved top. Then I did one more layer of paper on top of it. I covered the sides with the paper and also the middle of the hat, so it is more solid as a hat. Then on the inside I also covered it with a lot of paper. It's just the same way I did the top. I glued the base and pasted paper on it. This is half of the A4 size paper and fully covered all the sides. Now it was time to add the facial expressions, because with this it started to look more like the Sorting Hat from Harry Potter. Now once you've added your figures, it's time to paint it. For that I had dark brown color paint and I started painting it with thick brown color poster paint, and let's just speed up the process. And here it is, the base entirely painted with thick paint. I hardly used water in it because that would reduce the consistency of the paint. So here it is. Apart from the eyes and the face, I painted it completely with dark brown color on the inside and the outside both. Now it's time to paint the eyes and the mouth. For that, we'll be using black paint. Here it is, all painted. So once you're done with your paints, you'll keep it for 24 hours to dry properly. Now use the Sorting Hat in your parties and know in which house you belong. Now, let's get into the making of the glowing candle. This is very simple and very easy. You will need a paper, fold it, then staple the top and the bottom so it sticks like a proper candle shape. Then you have this light, turn it on and put it inside the circle. So here you have your candle, the glowing candle ready. Ta-da! So simple. Now let's have a look at the other props. I will get into the details of these props. So here, this is 9 3/4, the Hogwarts Express, and I used the circle, the 8-inch circle from the hat, to make that 9 3/4. I told you how the hat is made. So for this, I just turned the papers and put ribbon around it. Some customized cards and the candle, I told you how that is made. I made these 4 houses flags, just the colors representing the houses. this prop is the Harry Potter glasses and the mark on the top of it. And here is the golden snitch. Well, this is actually a cake topper. This will go on my cake. And these were some random props. So here it is, the entire table setup with the cake, Snitch in the top. So the 4 portraits that are on the wall, pasted on the wall, well, those 4 portraits, paintings, were actually made 3 years back in 2018. But since they went so well with the theme, therefore I had to use them here. Having this table set up on my birthday was amazing. However, what I enjoyed more was the making of the props, and I'm really thankful to my sister who helped me throughout in the making of these props, and my entire family for being super supportive. So here is the Harry Potter themed birthday setup that I had for my birthday. So if you have a Potterhead in your family, then the making of these props are certainly going to help you out. So what are you waiting for? Go on, make these props with your family and have lots and lots of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye.